let's see if it's going to be good or bad. 9mm ply is the base of the wet room, which wasn't stuck down. What the fuck? I took out the 1600 by 1200 wet tray, and obviously what we found out is that a stray beaver has been living under the floorboards. So we had to take up the rest of the floor and see if any damage had been done. So here it looks like they've cut out for the toilet, realised they're in the wrong place. So even though they've already took all the strength out, they moved over a few inches and done it again. And then again, a few inches down for the wash and basin waste. But what I like about this one is that they've had no room underneath, so they've still drilled a hole where the strength's already been cut out and put a 15mm pipe in, and then a few inches down, done it again. Then the next joist in, nailed a bit of freebie too, because, you know, after they've butchered that waste out, that'll sort it, no bother chop. An absolute abomination with the electrics, the pipe work, the packers. I mean, what's that all about? Bricks just sat on top of the plaster ceiling all over the place. It's an absolute shambles, to be honest. And all this was supposed to just be a nice little wet tray replacement, which hasn't gone to plan.